Spiritual message to Mrs. Esther Ibagwa. The ancestors sent me message to you.
Mami wata no reti Tokyo. You wave gume o mami wata no reti talk. Mami wata no reti Tokyo. You wave gume o mami. Mami wata no reti Tokyo. You wave gume o mami wata no reti talk. My people, how na dey also na different. I just dey waka dey go for inside TikTok. Now I can see this video. I will put on for now. Maybe most of una don't see. Una know say this TikTok of 18. They'll just wake up. Some people just wake up. They don't get wetin they want talk. They'll just carry beads. They'll go market, go buy beads. They'll call carry powder, a native shock. They'll call use and take rub. They'll come sit down. They'll say that they see vision. They'll say na so this one, na so the other one. You, if you believe them, go on your own. You see most of all these people. Oh, Saloboa. Dama no mo ba amo bok muwa obohe. Akbo wa bohe. Ison just the sit. As I just the pass, I just see some. May you call me private. I get what I want to tell you. Get what I see for you. Well, no mami enegbu we for. Our bono mami enegbu ya no mi ogere. Now I can see this video. They talk about Esther Ibagwa. Your music. The Sunday name for inside river. Say make I tell you where you for see. Where you for see? When they carry on and go near river now run. I mean, I went where I mean, mami water neto tell you what me. Mami water when not they sit down for inside river. When they'll see water, they'll run. They'll come social media. They'll come they like. I see something for you. You don't see for yourself. First thing for yourself. You dey see something. Why the mami water where you say you be? Because now the one where they for inside TikTok now una be. Why you not tell you how they want to repair our Edo State? Actually, if I tell you how they want to repair our Edo State, me everything for good, me light for day. Mami water no reach TikTok yo. You want me go me oh mami water no reach TikTok. Mo wa gbere iwo wa to agbe. See something your issue na how na just do one kind. But the one way be say never even know me kwa webo. All of them just run come and gbigiri. They'll just put everything put for body. They'll cause it down. I'm not to blame you now. I'm not to blame you now. You see all those people where be say they use their head and na blame. Now just blame person like me. You say you see vision. Yeah, good be down you are. A vision you go enter inside your body again. But no mami enegbe we for what daughter mame. Uzobo. Una also na they do obo. Don't know who wa bo he. Me if just get up now say I'll be obo. I dey see something. Because of say una dey find equal gear. Yama ezion bo you wow. Abe mami don geleru weze yama ezion yo bo you wow. Nya ezion bo you wow. Ne una go run go his house. Because of say you yellow. You are not mami water. You are not ogbaje. You are not this one. Why not they do like that? Now so this Ghana boy, that one where they write 666 for happiness 77, no. You can't see all of them, they call the wrong command. Even go reach one woman where be say they take it picking for this social media where cry comment. Where can say social take it picking. He can't run go TikTok. He can't they do mami water for them. I even talk on one set it time. If you really they see vision where you didn't they see something, you know sit down for live video. No, you call they send the message, go they give person. Consent sit down. Okay, you better do and make people they come they fear you person like me, I might be yo. I'll carry you go that river. Maybe no so no say that land where river ni. Me I see whether you bury mami water. But na me mami water. Mami water no I mean no social media, no a TikTok. If you really see something for person or you want even like maybe you be people where they do all this oracle. You not go sit down maybe they tell them for no send them and go call and come. You go call them. I'm aware you be mami water of social media. Social media mami water no re social media or no re TikTok. You wanna go me oh mami water no re TikTok. If anywhere where you just dey pass. Ah, God, I beg. More than stop all these things. If you not really see Obonobo, you see Obonobo, they go here when you give what. Not be like. He go test you. Say you say you dey see vision. Or test you way. This otijori shuna hand. So some of una wame de DJ rockba. Maybe they just call out for ya what the edge of tonu wakeka. When they do the same at here way. Iya wa tie nu wakeka. Una ase na bi ohen. Una ase na bi ogbaje. Una ase na bi this one. I never what one another go river. Eh? Una dey go river. If they just reach near river now, the water just me. Iya what to let yari. They go wrong. But they call social media upon they deceive people. Person like me, why to deceive me? Now those people where be say, I mean, I know where they find miracle. They go now make all this church of everything. It can't full everywhere. They can't they like, oh, my pastor say, my this one say, Martha. They can't know why judge. Yeah, now be good, now be church. Not be where you can't carry your Bible, you go sit down for church, or you can't go, beg you. As I just see the video, the thing just irritates me. Sister Mami Water, though, I greet you. You say me release the music, make it live on. The thing say make I tell you, if you not take time, you go collect what it dey your hand. You go give the second one. You go see the way one tell they provoke person, no good though. They will tell you that kind of thing. It's not good though. It can't be a vision you don't tell her. My mommy water no mommy negbiya no me go marry. I don't know what they worry on say because of a TikTok job bring and come. Now come sit down. Now one call they do 419 for them. It don't concern me if una they do na 419. But more they stop all this na nyama. Where me vision negbu we wa. You not go see vision for yourself. Eh? See that make you see vision for yourself. I be where me vision negbu we. Now another person now they see vision for. Nyama people. Now just the make person the face. I mean, you know, Zuan, no be say, there is God in anything one they do. Because of say, go, no one win, no one no work. Because they collect all these people where be say their bread don't turn upside down. Give me 20 euro, and you need to pay for my account first. I'll just, oh God. The very day where I see the other woman where be say cry come out for social media say social one carry pikin. Now so this one, now so the other one. She can't use screen tape below her skin. Ona do afwa bam. I can't go bring her. The time we call, the time we fair call social media, the time we there for TikTok now. Ona do a white. Now they can't say na off ya no ma. How can you assume boy you wow? Una way be say una they do all those things because una really they spoil those people where be say they be real. Who are the ania wa because wa might be na media o. Also and make some of them that they chook out for na the way one are not say no. Yes, your boy you wow, why me no so know that one. Now just sit down, why what bo wahin, or hen wahin, and be Mami Water. I didn't mean no any enemy. Eh? A Mami Water why ya wahin. Why be any of it? I mean, Yama people. I'll put the video for na mom na listen. I just listen to the video. I was like, what if did this one now? What if be all this? A matter just come. You just turn out to another thing. Now so they send you message for Odiame. Where se can Odiame? Where can Odiame? Where can Allah save money? The real Mami Water they know them. Not be the one where come sit down for live video. It goes no send a live video now they do. Why ya webo? Why ya webo? Then ya do wa boy ya do wa obona ya zobo. Why bo wa do azobo with social media? It's bad. Very, very bad. There are real ones. Oh, one or two away from one and one. When they use because of this issue, just come out. Like say this issue not come out. Matter who me vision. Matter who me vision. And because of say the issue come now you can't see vision. I want bonoma me negbe no me go mave. Nonsense. Nyama people. I beg you, make I put the video for Namona listen.
Spiritual message to Mrs. Esther Ibagwa. The ancestors sent me message to you. as their child that they love dearly, as the child that is making them proud in the spiritual world, as the child that represents them, that speak for them in the physical world, the eyes of the gods and the mouthpiece of the oceans and the ancestors and the universe. That's why they passed through me to send you this message, Mrs. Esther. Share this video to Esther Ibagwa. Don't joke. This message, check with him yourself. Don't say, I don't care. It's a warning and it's an advice. If you don't listen to it, there is destruction ahead of you. As you know me, I am not a content creator. I don't come outside to talk because I want people to follow me. I am a popular queen already. I have always been popular right from the one. Umana dame enitamo. Enika o gafiye kegbuwe o. Rudawe nika o wujin agogo ye ari eba ene baka. Not be to give the ancestor food that they talk o. Not be to do ogume o. Not be to do oyo juju. Ebo ojigo gioma ebo or emion ego. The ancestors can bless you with money. God can bless you with money. If you see that you are misusing that money, He will take them for you and make you broke. That is why you see many poor men, rich men before. They are not poor now. Because they did not follow the instruction. Esther, you know how you suffered. And God now decided to bless you. The ancestors said they did not bless you for you to be mocking others. Mocking this your second wife. That she does not have a house. That she's broke, that she's not educated enough. She can write, she cannot write, she cannot do this. Because they will soon make her above of you. After they have made her the 100th wife, the 000 to Mr. Destiny, they will make her above of you if you are not careful. They will still make her great. It's time. You now you are singing. That song you are singing is not ordinary song. It's a spiritual song. That's why I, Goddess of the Ocean, I like it. Even though I stopped playing your music, it is when I heard that you are fighting people that they are using your music, you are always complaining. And people are using your music on TikTok. You people are using, why won't they use it on TikTok? You that sing song, you might sing it. People might not like it, but if another person use it, that person's stars might make the